Hi guys, welcome to Linux YouTube channel. My name is Ram Mishra and I am your online instructor. So what's in this video? In this video I will tell you how to import and export Docker container images in Linux. So guys, let's begin the topic. But before start the lab session, we have to understand a few points, which is what is Docker platform and export import use cases. So Docker is a platform as a service that delivers software in container using OS level virtualization, which allows you to build, test and deploy application quickly and easily. Sometimes we need to work in the disconnect environment. In that situation we need to export import Docker images and containers. So export import is used to export containers file system as a tar file archive that can be shared across the network. To export the container, move to the exported file to the target machine and import the container. So here I will tell you how you can export and import container images using Docker command line tool in Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So let's start the lab session. For the demonstration purpose, I am using RHEL 9.0 virtual machine where I have already installed Docker command line tool. So if you don't know how to install Docker in Linux, you can go through my previous videos from Docker playlist where I have uploaded how to install Docker in RHEL Linux 9. As you can see, this is my Linux terminal, and let me show you the OS release version of this machine and Docker version also. So let me log in with the root user first. I'm logged in with root user. I'm running the command hostname ctl. You can see the computer name is Docker server and currently I'm using RHEL 9.0. And if I go with Docker version, see, Docker is installed, right? So let me check the IP of this machine, and I will take this SSH of this machine from my VMware workstation. So let me check the hostname -i. And okay, for the network remote session I'm going to VM SSH connect SSH, give the password of root, and yeah, here I'm logged in. So guys, you can see that I have taken the remote SSH session of my Linux box. Let me check the current condition of Docker image first using the following command, docker images. So you can see currently I don't have any container image. So first of all, let me download any container image from the Docker hub using the following command, that is docker pull nginx. Okay, so now you can see I'm going with the nginx image for the demonstration purpose, and you can go with any container image. It's total up to you. So it will take a little bit of time, and once it's successfully downloaded, we will move to the next step. So just wait for a couple of seconds or minute. Okay, it's downloaded successfully. So now you can see it's downloaded. Let me cross verify with the Docker image one more time. Hey, it's Docker downloaded successfully nginx image with the latest tag. Right, now move to the next step where I will create a fresh container using this Docker image. So for this I'm using the following command, that is docker and create, and then I will assign the name could be anything. I go with a demo, and the container image, you can go with a name or you can go with the image ID. So once I press enter, you can see my container is successfully created using nginx docker image, and container name is demo, right? But it is it will be always in stop condition. Let me go with the docker ps command. You will find out it is in stop condition. See, ps, if I go ps-a, it is created 17 seconds ago, right? But first of all, we have to start this container, and after that I will move into the container and perform some action. So let it be start first with the command docker start, and you can go with the name or you can go with the container ID. So I go with the name docker start demo. Okay, and now again cross verify with ps command. Successfully started within 45 seconds ago. So now move to the next command, which is move inside into this container and perform some tasks by following the same command. Again I'm going to with the docker command, docker exec execution -it interactive mode, and the container name and the shell is bin bash. Press enter. You look at that. You can see I'm in the container, so root @ the container ID, right? The prompt is changed. So now I am inside the container, and let me show you the OS release version of this container first. So for that one I can go with cat etc os release. It's a DB in Linux, and let it be update first using apt-get command. So I go with apt-get and update. So yep, update is going to be started. It will take a little bit time and done successfully. Okay, you can see it successfully update. Now I'm going to install for the demonstration purpose, go with the git package and make some demo file under the /temp directory using touch command, right? So I go with apt-get and say install git reading. Are you sure to continue? Yes, I am. And let's start make some blank file also under the temp directory. Let it be installed first. Okay, touch, say temp, go with the file 1 to 10.txt. Done. So let's go with the temp and git -- version. You can see that git is successfully installed. So now you can see that 10 blank files are there and git package successfully installed, right? So now I'm going to exit from here and you can see that I'm back on my Docker host machine. So if I go with the again docker ps command, currently my container is in running condition. Now move to the next step where I'm going to export this container, this custom container as a tar file using the docker export command. So I go with the docker export command and give the docker container name, that is demo, and greater than symbol and custom container container TAINER and say tar. Press enter. Yeah, so now you can see image is successfully built up and we can check by the long listing command, say ls-l. Here it is, and custom underscore container.tar is a tar file name and container is successfully exported. So now we can send this tar file to anyone in the team member and he can import this image. Even we can share with in the network drive also. So now in the next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to import that exported container image. So now exported container is imported as a Docker image and then need to be run that container from the image, right? So to import it, command is, you can so again with Docker and import, and then we have to say custom underscore container.tar and give one more name, custom underscore image and latest version with v1. So here custom underscore image is a new Docker image name with v1 tag, right? So it will take some time. Yep, successfully done. We can list the Docker image one more time using docker image command. So let's go with Docker images. You can see, yep, the image is ready with v1 latest tag, right? So now move into the final task where I'm going to launch new container from imported Docker image by using the command docker run command one more time. So I can go with the docker run -interactive mode it -name, give the new name, say new one, and the custom image and colon v1, the image name, the latest one, and the shell bin bash. And yeah, here I am again. You can see I am in the new container, right? And let it be check the files, ls-temp. Yep, files are there, and git -- version. You can verify the git is already there, already is present. So you can see the container files are there, git is already available from the imported image, and we can quit from control PQ and control PQ. Okay, here I am, and if I go with the docker ps, it is in up and should be in up and running condition. Yep, here it is. And if I go with the docker image is there. So guys, this is how we can export and import the Docker container image in the Linux. And finally, this is the end of this topic. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned new thing, and soon I will come up with another new interesting topic. Till then, keep practicing. If you feel something I have missed or you wanted to know more something else, please reach out through my social media links, which is mentioned in the description. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon button for the latest update. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.